Hello everyone, this is Akanksha. I hope you all are good and taking really good care of your family and yourself. Today we are going to talk about an important topic. It is going to be a short but an informative video. But before starting the video, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get the notification of the latest video uploaded on the channel. Yes, some of the questions related to it. Its symptoms, who is vulnerable to this infection, prevention, diagnosis and treatment. First, let us understand what is this disease or infection. Mucormycosis is a serious fungal infection. It is caused by a group of molds known as Mucormycetes present naturally in the environment. It mainly affects the people who are on medication for health problems that reduces their ability to fight environmental pathogens. The Mucormycetes does not pose a major threat to those with a healthy immune system. Let's talk about people who are vulnerable to this problem. People who have health problems or take medicine that lower the body's ability to fight germs and sickness. People who have diabetes, cancer or an organ transplant, or who have just recovered from COVID-19 or are in the phase of recovering from the disease COVID-19. The infection can be of two types. One that affect the face, nose and part of brain, causing loss of eyesight, and other that can affect lungs, shortness of breath, bloody vomits, altered mental status. Warning signs can include toothache, loosening of teeth, blood or double vision with pain, black mucus. That is why it is also called as black fungus or black fungal infection. Now the question arises, was this fungal infection already present before COVID? Yes, it is not any new infection. It was already present, but the number of the cases has suddenly increased because of COVID-19 and its treatment. Now let us talk about how it spreads. The spores of this fungus are present in the air, in soil and sometimes in the food, but its effectiveness is low because of our strong immune system. This disease or this fungal infection is mostly seen in the people who are infected from COVID-19 or the people who have just recovered from COVID-19 because their immune system currently is so weak that the pathogens, bacteria or other harmful things affect the body very easily. For this infection, the least precaution you can take is wear your mask and gloves before going out to any construction site or anywhere out. Now let us talk about the treatment of this fungal infection. Mucormycosis need to be treated with prescription antifungal medicine. In some cases it can require surgery. It can lead to eventually loss of upper jaw and sometimes even an eye. AIIMS Delhi chief Dr. Randeep Guleria said, if steroid misuse can be controlled and the patient does not have high blood sugar, then chances of post-COVID fungal infection will be rare. Blood sugar level can reach 300 to 400 because of steroids, but adding a mild to moderate dose of steroid is good enough and has to be administered only for 5 to 10 days. I hope I have cleared all the questions related to this topic, and I'm sure you must have gained something out of this. If you really liked the video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel and give your feedbacks in the comment section. Till next time, thank you so much.